YouTube, man, what's going on? It's your boy Marcel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a washing style. So we're gonna be using a hard brush, small brush, also to get our crown. We're gonna comb it out. Make sure you have a mirror, and also if you need to, you also need to make sure you have a spray bottle because we're gonna be wetting our hair all the time while we're adding our soap. The soap I'm gonna be using black soap. Black soap is really good. It lathers up really fast. So again, we're gonna go ahead and start combing it out. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna comb your hair out. All right, so go ahead and comb your hair out. And we gotta go that fast. You can really take your time. I've been woofing for 4 weeks, so y'all gonna see how it's looking. So we're just gonna comb it out. So if you're following along, just comb out your hair first. Take your time and just comb it out. Just comb it. The boys been having a good week too, you know what I mean? Hope y'all been doing good. Hopefully y'all been keeping them waves up, doing what y'all need to do. So yeah, so now all you wanna do is you wanna just comb it out. So after you comb out all around, so we're in the back now. You comb everything around, flip your comb and go ahead and hit that crown. So now we're just gonna hit the crown. We're gonna comb the crown out. So now gang, we got the hair combed out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wet it and we're gonna be using a hard brush to lay it down. So gang, we're about to go ahead and wet our hair. Once you wet your hair, apply whatever soap you're using. Just wetting your hair. And you can add as much as you want. It's up to you. You're just getting the hair wet. It'll be way faster, and it'll really get everything going. Dang, I did wet my hair a little bit with the spray bottle, but I'm gonna go in and just go into the sink and soak my hair real quick and apply the soap. With my hair, I spray bottled it a little bit and then I went back under the faucet and really soaked it. So now I'm about to go ahead and add my soap and I'm gonna scramble wash first. So let's get it. I'm just scramble washing right here. So all you want to do is get your soap and just rinse it right through. You're gonna wash your hair the first time. It's not gonna be as lattery because it's been about a week or 2 weeks since I washed my hair. So it's definitely got a lot of oil build up, a lot of dirt build up. So really getting up in there real quick though. Locking in. You're a beginner and you're doing this, you want to really make sure you just, take your time, do what you need to do, and just really just get up in there. I'm gonna give y'all a different angle real quick. So when you first wet your hair, if you have a lot of dirt build up, right, it's not gonna ladder up super nice, right? Some people say, oh, you can get soap to do it. Yeah, some soap may ladder up, but it's been about 2 weeks since I wash my hair, so it's just, doing what it's doing. Done scramble washing your hair. Now you want to do is you want to wash the soap out, then you want to go back through it and apply more soap. Let's get it. All right, so y'all see, got a lot of soap in here. Give y'all a better angle so y'all can really see it. So soap is in here. So again, when you first wash your hair, it's not gonna do this. It's not gonna have a whole bunch of soap like this, right? So the first wash is really just to get the stuff out. The second wash is what's gonna really get you right. So y'all can just see how it's just in there, man. Come on now. It ain't going crazy. And this black soap too, I love black soap. All right, so in the next clip, we're gonna be getting our hair brush. So we're about to go ahead and use our tiny small brush for our crown. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get the crown. All right, so let's go ahead and get that crown area. Follow along. So the first angle is right here. Second angle right here. top now. Get the top. If you got soap falling down, that's normal because of the ladder. Alright, so we up top right here. Right here. If this is your first time doing this, it may be uncomfortable, but you'll get used to it. So right here now. Just brush that down. And once you get your crown laid down, we're just gonna go back over it with the hard brush, the actual hard brush. So now we already got it laid down with the small hard brush. Now we're about to go in with the actual hard brush. Let's get so we're right into it. So we got the crown laid down. We're just laying down the back now. Same angles. You don't want to overlap. All right, so just follow along right here with it. So next, we're gonna hit right here. Right on top, right here. Time with it. I'm just trying to get this hair laid down. I can see it just laddering up so nice. Hit right here. And now you want to just hit the back one more time. Lay down, y'all can see how it's looking. We're just going through, I'm just showing y'all real quick, right? Y'all can see how it is. Looking pretty clean, pretty crisp. Come on now, we locked in. For all the beginners, let's get it, let's get it. If you want to, you could add more soap on it, and you can just go back over it with a little bit more soap. Just really get it laid. That's what I'm gonna do for y'all real quick, because I didn't show y'all. So I'm just going back over it real fast. Over it with the soap. All you want to do. Crown a little bit with some more soap so you can make sure it's fully laid, right? Before you rinse. Man, if y'all liking the video, hit that like button. Subscribe to the game, man, the community, right? And turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload videos. I upload every Sunday, right? So let's get it. Now we got our do-rag on. So all you want to do is tie your do-rag tight. Nice and tight, not too tight, just a little bit. So just follow along, wrap it around just like this in the back. Front, you want to go right here. Have this one right here. If you're a beginner, follow along. This is very important for you, right? And wrap this one right here, over here. Don't put it in your mouth. I don't know why they be putting them things in. No, don't do that. To the back. So right here, you want to just tie it up like this. Nice in a knot. And bam, we good to go. You want to go ahead and pull it down. And then in the front here, you can adjust it however you want to. But once you get it nice and laid, got the do-rag on, man, gang, we good to go.